Bonjour YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I am Neuralex. This is gonna be my reaction for the Chainsaw Man OP. Listen, Chainsaw Man has to be easily the most anticipated anime of the year. I feel like I've been hearing about Chainsaw Man for like the last 2 years, way before it was announced as an anime actually. Thanks to Mr. Mihai on Discord who sent me the OP because I didn't even know it was coming out just before the episode, which should come out really soon. I'm here in Canada. I think it's about to pop out on Crunchyroll. So before watching the first episode, let's watch the OP. If you're new to the channel, I do a lot of anime reaction, so subscribe. You know, like, subscribe. Chainsaw Man OP1. Here we go. Oh, I love that bass. Oh, that's a good song. That's a good song. Okay. I know nothing. I haven't even seen the trailer for this. Oh, that's our Chainsaw Man right there. Let's go. Man, that looks crazy. Oh. All right. That's a good OP. That's a good OP. It feels like what you would hear as a popular anime OP, but techno-ified. Like they added this like techno kind of electronic beat to it, even though it feels like kind of a rock song. I gotta check who makes that. Yonezo Kenshi. By the way, for those who don't know, I'm a metalhead. That's, you know, Gojira shirt and everything. Oh man, I just realized he's the one who's doing the second OP for My Hero Academia, which I pretty much can say it's my favorite My Hero Academia OP. So they took the same guy. Oh, nice choice, nice choice. Like, of course, personally, I would always put as much metal and distorted guitars and everything, but that's me. And not every OP can be the rumbling. Oh my god, I'm so excited for the show now. Images looks insane. I love the OP. It's hype, hype, hype. The most hype you can get in anime. That's pretty much where we're at with Chainsaw Man. Oh my god, like come back later for my episode reaction. I feel it's gonna be total fire, total fire. And in the meanwhile, I've got so much anime videos. Check it out. My Hero Academia, Parasite the Maxim, Attack on Titan, Demon Slayer, blah, 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 blah. Check it out. See you later.